everybody, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be walking you guys over a brand new ChatGPT feature that they just released to everyone. And this feature is called custom instruction. Now, custom instructions are kept under consideration by ChatGPT when creating an answer. That way you guys don't have to put the same preferences over and over and over. This feature more turns ChatGPT into your own assistant, as the answers can be totally curated to exactly what you're looking for. All right, so let's walk through how to use this feature, where to find it, and how it can help you when using ChatGPT. So right now I am on ChatGPT. I do have ChatGPT Plus. I honestly kind of recommend it if you are going to be using a couple of the features like plugins and stuff like that. Anyway, different video topic. I would like to show you guys where to find the custom instructions. If you go and click down on your name or your account, you'll see custom instructions is the second option. When you click it, it's going to bring up two different boxes. The first box is more about who you are, to curate what you want ChatGPT to call you, what you do, that type of thing. The second box is how you would like ChatGPT to respond. If you want it to respond formally or informally, or how long or short the responses should be. So for the top one, it says, where are you based? What do you do for work? What are your hobbies and interests? What subjects can you talk about for hours? What are some goals that you have? And then on the second box, it's how formal or casual do you want ChatGPT to be? Long or short responses? How do you want to be addressed? Should ChatGPT have opinions on topics or remain neutral? So essentially, if you curate your own bio to put into these boxes, you can help yourself out. Like, let's say you were a third grade teacher. Every question that you had to ask ChatGPT, you wanted to be appropriate and usable for your teaching career, you could definitely do this. It would be beneficial to put I'm a third grade teacher up in the first box, or I guess the second box. Like, how do you want to be addressed is in the second box, and also what do you do for work is in the first box. So I've realized that if I put I'm Austin in the top or bottom box, it does the same thing. So I'm going to guess that there's some minimal differences in the code as to what each box does. However, it's super helpful and useful. So like, you can tell it like, I don't want short answers, and explain it to me like I'm 10. You know, you could say that, and then everything that you receive from ChatGPT will be curated towards an easy learning environment. So then after filling out your boxes and hitting save, you can go and ask it to, I don't know, tell me about my profession. So as you can see, ChatGPT knows my name and also knows what I do, and is able to explain to me the profession that I'm in currently. For software developers and people of that nature, describing what workflow you use, what software you're using, what code language you are constantly coding in, stuff like that can really help out in your discussions with ChatGPT, because then everything that you're asking is always curated towards how you work and the style of work that you do. That's all I have for this very quick ChatGPT tutorial. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.